Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. This is the website to go to if you want to start an LLC in any of the states in the US. All the guides are just here on the top. Today, however, we are going to have a look at how to form an LLC in Colorado. So this one's for you. This page is a complete guide. Let's have a look. What's on this page you will find here. Then at a glance, there's a table with all the key details. For example, the $50 state filing fee only. What you need before filing in Colorado, you can find here. Then there's a step-by-step guide how to form an LLC. Then the full breakdown of the costs you can find here when you go down. The processing timeline. So to get this done very easy and smoothly, our personal topic is Northwest Registered Agent. We have used them so many times already. They are to us the best option to form your LLC in Colorado. Their service fee is only $39 and they include the registered agent service free for the first year. So if you are already ready, you don't need any more details, just click on this button here. It will bring you to the Northwest page and they will handle the rest. It's that easy. If you would like to know more, just feel free to scroll up and down the page to get all the information. If you want to know why we consistently choose Northwest, just go here to compare services. It will bring you to the page just for Northwest, the full explanation, why, pricing, features, everything. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your LLC in Colorado, and I'll see you in the next guide. Bye.